Today we'll be solving a question from Black Book by Vikas Gupta sir. So in this question, there is a function which is box of x by 9 equals to box of x by 11, and here box means the greatest integer function, and the greatest integer function represents that whatever value inside the box is given, and it will give the integer value returned to us. Like for example, 1.7 box of 1.7 will give me the integral value of 1.7, which is 1, and for 2.7 is 2, 3.73, 4.74. We all know the basics about it, those who are serious aspirants. And when we try to solve this type of question, so I always tell you, in the previous video I also solved this these types of questions relating to the inclusion of the box function. So I always try to make the intervals, the short intervals, and in those intervals I check the behavior of these functions, or the can say the output of the functions, like how the output what is the output of the function giving in that particular interval. So when I was checking those intervals for box of x by 9, it came to me like x belongs to box of x belongs to 0 to 9, where 0 is inclusive and 9 is excluded, so it gives me value 0. And similarly for the box of x by 11, which is x belongs to 0 to 11 and 0 included and 11 excluded, so it gives me 0. And for similarly I check for the 3 intervals each for each, and when I get forward into this question, so what I am asked in this question is that the common intervals, those intervals of x at which this two functions gives the equal values. Like for x 0 to 9, where 9 is not included and 0 is included, it gives me the value 0. And for x belongs to 0 to 11, 11 is excluded and 0 is included, it gives me the value 0. So I have to find the common part of that thing. So to find the common part is 0 to 9. It is a common part, 0 to 9 and 0 to 11. The 0 to 9 is the common part, no? And for similarly for 0 to 18, 9 to 18 and 11 to 22, the common part is 18 to 22. For 18 to 27 and 22 to 23, the common part is 27 to 23. Okay, 27 to 33, I must say, my bad. So like that I check the common part, as you can see. And now checking for the 33 to 36 part. So I would also like to give you a visual representation of finding this common part, where it is a domain like 27 to 36 for x belong for the box of x by 9 function, and 33 to 44 for the box of x by 11 function. We check the common part. The common part is 33 to 36, right? And where 36 is not included. And like that I checked in all the intervals and find out the 25 common terms, including 0. But we have but in the questions we have been asked that we only have to give the positive integral values of x. So 0 is not a positive integer or neither a negative integer, so the answer will be 24. Answer of this question is 24.